I'd like to give a warm welcome to our president, David Deanda.
Good morning, members of the press. On behalf of Nuestra National Bank, I'd warmly welcome you to the announcement of the Mercy of Mission RGV Free Dental Care Clinic. As we gather here today, we unite with a shared objective, to witness the initiation of a mission that will bring smiles to many faces in South Texas. The bank's engagement in this noble cause is a testament to our commitment to our community. And your presence here amplifies our collective voice in supporting those most in need. Dr. Carlos Cruz and his extraordinary team of dentists and all volunteers, with the support of local authorities, partners, and committed volunteers, have guided this remarkable mission. We are honored to be a part of a mission that strives to deliver free dental care to the most underserved populations in our region. Your coverage of this event brings much needed attention to the Mercy of Mission RGV initiative. It illuminates the transformative power of community-driven efforts. We invite you to explore the dedication, passion, and collaboration that has made this grand event possible. Once again, thank you for being with us here today. We can create a more compassionate community, one smile at a time.
Many years ago, I got a chance to meet Dr. Cruz, and I won't say how many years, but it was a long time. I was little. And he was doing charity work overseas, traveling internationally, all across the nation, and helping children feel better, look better, as he was dedicated to repairing cleft palates. And here we are today, and you're stronger than ever, and bringing people together, and we're so delighted to introduce you here today to speak to our media.
Well, thank you, everyone. It's really an honor and a humbleness to be with everyone. I think that all of us have a mission in life, and mine is to dedicate myself to my family, to God, and to my friends. And that's what really we're here for. Being at the Texas Dental Association board last year, thanks to a friend of mine, Dr. Cáceres, who introduced me and to participate with them. I saw T-moms, we have talked about it, if we could get it in the Valley, and I asked if they could give me a date. They gave me a date, September, and I thought that was going to be a great month because the good weather for us is excellent. And I think that the event, what I want you to see is really dedicates themselves for those in need and those that really are in poverty. As you know, we have a population of about 870,000. Of those, 30% of them are in poverty. And I don't want to go through statistics. I have read so much, and I have traveled all over, and I know many countries, but the statistics that this country can provide are exceedingly fantastic and really alarming and wonderful. That these events are wonderful to do. T-moms is called the Texas Mission of Mercy from the Texas Dental Association, which I'm very proud to be a member of. And what it does is, since 2001, when it was started, introduced the first time in Tyler, Texas, since then, they go to 4 different cities around the state. It's a mobile dental unit of 40 chairs, and we're going to host this event thanks to Lone Star Bank, Renaissance, and the arena, Bert Odgen Arena, on the 15th and 16th of September. And we're welcoming, every patient that doesn't have any possibility, to be treated. And we have every single specialty in the dentistry, which are trying to help. We have about 60 dentists right now enrolled, 92 pre-dental students that are participating, that really they're going to be a future for us. And that's just to give you a brief of what the event will be. We're going to be doing a lot of care from, pulling small teeth, to cleanings, brushing their gums, helping patients from DHR that we want to get the transplant patients to come and have the treatment done before they can have the procedure to be done at no cost. And for further say, this is really what the Texas Mission of Mercy is a fantastic event, and it's really an honor to have them. So I participate in many of these groups in the state and locally. But this one, to have it with us, is really a blessing, and we want to make sure that we make the best out of it. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. You've often heard me say that what defines the community is what people in the community do for one another. And today we have a great example of what Hidalgo County and this community is doing for one another. This event here to help our most needed is extremely important. Dr. Cruz already said that we had about 30% of our people in poverty. I'm a numbers guy. He's off a little bit. 31% of the people who live in Hidalgo County are receiving some kind of subsidy from the government. Many do not have the access of health care as others do. So for more than a year now, Dr. Cruz and his people, his staff, have been trying to plan this event. And we thank you, Doctor, for your leadership in doing this. And of course, partnering with the Texas Mission of Mercy. And you know, it's pretty special that I believe, according to the statistics that I received, there's only 4 of these clinics throughout the state of Texas, and they picked Hidalgo County in this area to be one of those. I also want to thank all of the visiting dentists, their staffs, the dental students, all the other volunteers for joining us here, and welcome to all of you that are from the outside. And of course, I want to thank Mr. David Tianda, Lone Star National Bank, Dr. Carlos Cardenas, and of course DHR, for always being there to help endeavors that are important to our community. And to all our people out there, please, please do not waste this opportunity to come here and receive this care so that we can also encourage others to come and help us at this time. Thank all of you for being here and taking a part in this tremendous endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, Irma. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. What a tremendous showing this is of how a community can come together to try to close the disparities that exist in healthcare in populations across our country that have similar problems and issues. The Texas Mission of Mercy is another demonstration of how physicians and dentists can come together along with community members and community sponsors to close the gap in healthcare. And you say, well, healthcare and dental care, are they this? Yeah, they're the exact same thing. It's amazing what we can do when we can come together, because through our mouths, which is one of the orifices that God created, also is a portal for illness and disease, but it's an opportunity for health. Because we know that good dental health means holding off heart disease. It means a fight against dementia. It means maybe less rheumatologic disease, and another way to fight diabetes. Now, who knew that all of these things were connected? Now, the dentists and the doctors kind of know. We kind of work together, and this is another opportunity for us to work together. But to truly make a difference in someone's life, like the Texas Mission of Mercy can accomplish with a visit that starts an education in that person's health care that then spreads to the rest of their family. Or if we can treat one abuelita that treats and is treated and shows her children and her grandchildren what it means to be healthy, and it begins with oral health. Maybe we prevent diabetes in the future. Maybe we prevent heart disease in the future, and we have an increase in lifespan, and we begin to close the disparities and the inequities that have existed in healthcare in our country. It is with great pride that DHR is very happy to participate along with Dr. Carlos Cruz and the rest of our sponsors in the Texas Mission of Mercy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. As Dr. Cardenas mentioned, it is amazing what can happen when we organize and when we work together, not only doctors, but dentists, to help the community. On behalf of the mayor and the city commission in McAllen, here with us, Commissioner Cabeza de Vaca and Commissioner Haddad, we would like to express our support for this event. September 15th and 16th at Bert Odgen, we want to invite the community to take advantage of this health clinic that's going to take place. It's so important to have preventive measures, and this is one thing that our whole community can benefit from, especially those that are in need and can't afford this somewhere else. And so we want to invite those that can participate to participate. We're very supportive of this event. Thank you very much.